In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with ClickUp. We'll walk through how to open your inbox, remove an item using the ellipsis menu, confirm the deletion, and quickly restore it with undo if you change your mind. By the end, you'll feel confident managing your inbox without worrying about accidental clicks. Start by heading to your ClickUp inbox within your workspace. The inbox is where you'll see recent notifications, reminders, and updates tied to your work. Make sure you're logged in and in the correct workspace so you're looking at the right set of items. If your inbox looks empty or too crowded, remember that filters and date ranges can affect what appears. For this process, just locate the item you want to remove from view or delete. Next, hover over that item and look for the three-dot icon, sometimes called the ellipsis, usually found to the far right of the item. Clicking this opens a context menu with options specific to that item. This is the safest way to take action because it keeps your changes targeted to exactly what you selected. From the menu, choose Delete. This tells ClickUp you intend to remove the selected item. In many cases, this will either delete the notification from your inbox or delete the underlying task or comment, depending on the item you selected. If you're unsure, take a second to confirm what you're deleting. Deleting a task is more impactful than clearing a notification, so it's worth double-checking. You'll now see a confirmation prompt. Click Delete again to confirm. This second click is your safeguard against mistakes. Use this moment to read the details in the prompt and make sure you're acting on the correct item. If the prompt mentions a task name or other specifics, verify them before proceeding. Right after confirming, you should see a small banner or toast notification with an undo option. If you didn't mean to delete, click undo immediately to restore the item. This option is time-limited, so act quickly. Undo is your quickest safety net, and it brings the item back exactly where it was. If the undo window passes, and you need to recover something more significant, check your workspace's trash or recycle bin settings later, depending on your plan and permissions. That's the full flow. Go to your inbox, open the ellipsis on the item, choose Delete, confirm Delete, and use Undo if needed. Practice on a low-stakes item first to get comfortable, and always pause on the confirmation step to avoid surprises. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in ClickUp.